Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. But I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me, in relation to a video I made about, if when the probe gets dirty lambda or oxygen sensor, can it be cleaned or do you have to change it? Someone asked me what product we use to clean a lambda probe. I will leave you the link to that video I made. We always use it to clean the EGR cleaner lambda probes. After testing many products, these are the most effective. There is no specific brand. The vast majority of EGR cleaners work, because what EGR cleaners do is remove oil, and they also eliminate carbon. That's why I tell you that they work perfectly. Yes, you have to disassemble the lambda probe, and perhaps you will have to rub a little. You can use a used toothbrush that you are not going to use anymore, and rub a bit. At the same time that you apply the cleaning product, you will have to do the product several times. And then, what we do is, at the end of the cleaning, we put pressurized air into it and then we install it, and normally, they work perfectly. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.